Ki rubela ka runa ka reina. Ki rubela ka runa ka reina. Ubulela nyovu wena Papa Penny. Akekho ngazi ukuthi njoba sikhulekela ubunye silwela ubunye thina siyinto eyodwa njengoba siphuma Eastern Cape nje ke besidile nematha yase Eastern Cape ngendlela esidile ngawo nayo akekho umuntu ocwaswayo. Why you are becoming so sensitive uma umuntu wakhuluma nje nani manikhuluma nithi you touch Shanganezi, you touch me senisaba nje igama elikela show umuntu wakwaZulu elithi Shangane. Siyezaka lapha eLimpopo abantu baseLimpopo namashangana funa amazi uPapa Penny uyena otribalistic ngoba usensitivity yakhe yonke into uyayistabilizer ufuna bese ngathi kuliwa namashangana. There's nothing like that. Sengikhathele uPapa Penny nekhwapha ikhwapha lakho selinginukele kwanele ikhwapha elixhophayo lele ngathi lika anyanisi ikhwapha lika fish. So now phuma insizweni thina la kwaZulu awazulu Papa Penny thina la kwaZulu ngisho insizwa emika.
South African awu ngibone le video lena ungezwa wacula ngathi awuthi ebhodi unesikhathi sokudlala besingena kuphi thina Eastern Cape Eastern Cape lento leniyakako bafethu thina sifana nabazali bethu bakudala. You need to bear in mind ukuthi niyasibuilda every day ukuthi nine nisiyenzani. One day all provinces in South Africa they will unite ngoba nine nemasimba. They will unite ngoba nine nedodi. Lamashangana la niqula ngawo lapho niyakhohlwa ukuthi zonke inyanga before zibe nemandla sithola igubhu zijika ngala. Inyanga lenye naleyinye leyinemandla ithola amandla kuphi khona ngala yize izonceda nini. Akuna sigubhu lesikusho ukuthi asina muntu wemshangana ngeke sisebenze. Ngiyanitshela mina akuna mfundisi lwazowisa abantu unganayo umuntu wemshangana. Nina nanix nina akuna nkosi lezolida abantu nganamuntu womshangana. Ngathi ani nawe uyakwazi lokho ukuthi nina niphethe ngemashangana. Phika ngizwe nguzwe. Noma lwanidayo manje unomuntu womshangana emtimbeni. Mina wena ngeke ungishaye ngomuthi ngoba lo muthi wakithi mashangana nibhizi niqula ngathi niyasibuilda madoda. There will come a time lento lenisenza yona thina nizokubona. There will come a time ngoba sesikhathele madoda. Phela thina sifana nebazali bethu la ukuthi nizogibela enhloko. No that one is old bro. It's old. Yekelanda amasimba yenu ngizi. Yekelanda amasimba yenu. Inhlamba nathi siyayazi. Ngakuthuka lize liyoshona. Mina ngakuthuka lize liyoshona. Mara yekelani ukusidelela bafethu. Yekelani ukusidelela. Uyabona khona lapho ngeke sivume thina. Yekelani ukusidelela. Yangizwa musi. Ebhuti thina sokhuluma la. Sokhulumela bakithi. Sithi yekelani amasimba yenu. Yekelani le doti yenu lenikhulumayo ngemasha akuna ngoma leyinye ukuthi ngacula wani ngakacula ngala Nigeria uke wasibona sithengisa ama drugs thina uyanya phela hawu. Yekelani lo doti wenu senitshela manje ukuthi la mandla lanawo mandla emashangana lawo and nani you know it la niyakhona niyoguqa labantu mandla bawathola kithi. Shangane people ningabonya nini. King Soshangana ubuya kuphi? King Soshangana ubuya kuphi? Akaphumi lapho. Sethina uthi siphuma eniyanya man. Ngicole ngokunya nini.
Wena ngizwe msunu. Watch your mouth wena. Wanitwa? You must watch your fucking mouth. Papa Penny intanga wena. Papa Penny is not your age. So ngayitolovela machimba ngala kutatala ka social media la utayitolovela machimba la udelela kokwana wa hina udelela ba hina lo ngakungwaye kokwana KwaZulu Natal. You do not respect your elders. Ungala kutana sola machangani la utafuku uyidelela la because ina ita kunyisa waswit ina ita mnyisa isha wrong lexi Papa Penny nga xivula loko loko nga ku n'wamazulu a ku na ngoma ya better leyi mi nga ta yimbelela yona mi nga yimbeleli ngoma leyi ya n'we ya mi delela machangani mi ku hlanganisiwe endleleni knowing the history that happened between Zulu people and Tsonga people. Yini lexi Papa Penny nga xivula xa wrong se wata wena ka social media va rhume wena nomo wa ku nun'wa mangumbe ja u ta la u ta yi delela ja u delela Papa Penny wena u ta yi tolela macimbo wa switwa la South Africa la hi le hostel maja manito a hi le hostel la South Africa la se le mi nga la ku tala mi ehleketa ku loko mi ri ti-boss nyana ko kwahala ka Zulu Natal mi ti-boss South Africa leyi hinkwayo yi ta mi nyisa a mi chavi and wa u tshika mhaka leyi ya n'we leyi ya ku delela n'wamazulu mi ehleketa nga ku n'we ma owner each and everywhere la mi fambaka kona laha ka hina am own la. You do not own us. So we will respect us. Do not come here and come and talk shit. On it. Don't come here and come and talk shit. You should be apologizing for the kind of shit that your people did at Eastern Cape. Mama Chimba, divide the South Africa. So that's Papa Penny, what tribalistic. Papa Penny is sensitive. Sensitive in Jani. It's sensitive in Jan. Why am I to one thing? Because I'm Lwana Machangani, I'm Lwana Nigeria now. Were you fighting Tonga people or you were fighting the Nigerians? Why don't you sing and say, Nigeria suka ndleleni? Without that, uyidelela la uyijosa ke thina eZulu insizwa ya jwaba. Uke wayibona kuphi insizwa yokuthi nejwabu? Insizwa ya foreskin. Wala utayinyele ja. Ungayitolele machimba yena itamnyisa yena machangana. And mtshika makali yangu yakutshama mi karhi mi ti bus fuwa mi muku ya yena mashanga shangani mini shangani kware because mi ehleketa ngaku mi hlule nyimpini ka nyimpi leyi nga lwiwa ya maZulu na Matsonga. And nan'wa machangani va ku michava vanhu lava muku maZulu va hi hlule nyimpini vanhu lava va byela vanhu history ya kwa yi nga ri kona history ya kwa yi nga exist. They are telling you people the wrong history. So Shangani angazanga ahlula Matsonga nyimpini. So Shangani ibaleke nyimpi kwa Zulu Natal to kunyiswa hivo butwa yehala asuka na vanhu lava nga suka na vo. Leswaku mi ta famba mi byeletela vanhu muku so Shangani itela na vanhu va ku tala a Mozambique. That's why Machangani ma hluluwini. That's why Machangani ma balekini a nga tanga na vanhu va ku tala. Loko a baleka nyimpi ite a karhi a femfa tingati va n'wi nyisini va butwa yehala. A tlulela Mozambique va kokwani wa hina va fika va n'wi yamukela. Hina history ya yi tiva va kokwani wa hina loko va tshama na hina va hi byela swilo leswi. Vakokwani wa hina va fika va n'wi yamukela loko va n'wi yamukela va n'wi hila a tshama na hina kahle hi ku hina ya yamukelana hina timbilu ta kahle naturally loko va fika le because va na tinqolo ta ku bola na timbilu ta vuloyi loko se a tshame na vakokwani wa hina se swi pfuka leswa ka vo swa le mazulwini ala va nghenela vakokwani wa hina na vusiku va va dlayetela tindumbeni va siya switsongwana lava nga pona hi lava nga baleka va ta le South Africa va baleka yo nyimpi ya liya because se a nghenele vakokwani wa hina a dlaya na lava a va rhangela vakokwani wa hina hala va siya vavasati le so mina ku ta byela swa n'we mi hlule machangani nyimpini je mi nga hlula machangani mi nga hi hlula hina machangani nyimpini karhi hi tiye son'we mi nga hi hlula nyimpini hina hi karhi hi tiye so n'wana ku ta yinyela wona ngizwe msunu wa swito wa hi toloveli macimba hi ta mi tsema swa ti-foreskin swa n'we sweswo hi ti-okapi loko mi la ku ta yinyela hina ma va delela vanhu hinkwavo va deleleni mapedi hinkwavo na Nigeria hina mi nga yinyeli because loko mi la ku ta yinyela hina hi ta ya hlangana le FNB Stadium le hi mi komba ku ri maZulu ya nchumu yo Zulu saveka yo Zulu ra macimba a hi savi Zulu ra macimba ma hitwa futseka makenza ya Shaka Zulu makenza Dingani na makenza ya maZulu hinkwawo loko se mi la ku ta yinyela se ho mi byela sweswi a mi chavi and nge pfuki mi chavile loko a mi na problem ikunakuta uriya siyeza lapha eLimpopo tanani ta minyisa loko nga ku mi la ku nyisiwa loko se mi la ku nyisiwa se mi la ku ta fa hi kunene vuyani i khale mi tshika mi yi delela hey Shangani this Shangani that it needs to come to an end sweswi se mi thinde kun'wanyana sweswi se u la ku mi nyisa sweswi.
Good morning. Sanbonan. Abshin. Let me take this time to address Ngizo Mkhono. My brother, I'm watching your videos insulting Papa Penny. Please, my man, refrain from what you are doing. If you don't know me, I'm Bo July. Nishi oshanyama sha bayete. Ngomalo. Antibi ku oshanyama kwele ka n'wina mi xi vitana yini, but I'm the servant of our king Bayethe Abednego Nxumalo. He respects your king. He knows that each and every nation has a leader. And he knows we are related. So we have to respect each other. Your action against the Nigerian king, who claims to be a king of East London, it was for a good cause. I support you and all the organizers. But you made a mistake, my brother. Let me tell you where was the mistake. Singing the song which was not supposed to be sung there. I know the history, Zulu history. I know Shangani history very well, more than some of the professors, because I worked hand in hand with the royal family of Nxumalo. So I know the history. So the Ati Shangan song actually is not the only one song. There's another song. Maybe you will sing it one day. Angeke sivume kukhonza kuSoshangana. So each and every song is emanating from an event. So I'm not saying that song is not a right song. It's a right song, but you sang it at a wrong event. We also have our songs, but you must sing the correct song at the relevant event. You remember in 1828 when King Ushaka sends his troops to KwaManjakazi, Soshangana. You know what happened? Do you remember Impi Kamdlebe? I won't tell many people because some of the events are very, very, very sensitive. So, my brother, I'm addressing you and requesting you to refrain from insulting Papa Penny. We view Papa Penny as our brother, as a Machangana. The way you view your elders at KZN, we are a nation as a Machangana. You are a nation as a Amazulu. Amandebele is a nation. Amahlubi is a nation. But all these kings that I mentioned are Nguni people, which means Nguni people are very strong. They managed to establish Zulu nation. They managed to establish Shangani nation. They managed to establish Ndebele nation. They managed to establish Amahlubi and all the Xhosa nations. Because I know Chao as one of those, but there are other kings there. They are sharing one common ancestor. But a nation is consolidated or formed by uniting different tribes. I'm Ndau myself, I'm Stall. There are Bomaluleke who are Bangwanati, Votembe who are Baronga, Vabaloi who are Varoswi, and many others. So we form the Machangana. So you must respect us as a nation. And what you don't know, so Shangan is not a foreigner to you, because he was born at Ndwandwe, your province. He established his nation at Portugal, East Africa. It's now Mozambique. But the boundary of his kingdom was starting from Indian Ocean in Mozambique until Zospansberg Mountains here in South Africa. There was no colonial border during his time until in 1852 Wassel Pretorius decided to form a country called the ZAR, but the boundaries were very poor by then. Later it became Transvaal. Then we amalgamated Transvaal, Natal, Cape Colony, Free State to form Union of South Africa. So anyone who regards Mchangane as a foreigner is a stupid, is an idiot, is clueless. He doesn't know his history. So please stop what you are doing. Don't insult Papa Penny. Refrain from insulting Papa Penny. It's your brother. I respect you as my brother. I hope you will refrain. What are you achieving when you insult Papa Penny? Because you know even Great Leader Zuma respect Papa Penny, and Papa Penny respects Great Leader Zuma. I support President Zuma. So why you want to cause unnecessary tensions? Please, my brother, do the right thing. Thank you.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Tsonga people are fuming ngemva kokuthi Bongizwe Mchunu lapha kumatch yabo lebe lapha eEast London bacula ingoma bathi we Mshangane suke endleleni. So Matsonga, they are so angry ukuthi singenaphi thina Matsonga. Le ngoma leyo benicula ukuthi kwende njani. Wende video ke lesabalele lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana uPapa Penny akhuta Ungizwe Mchunu for leyo ngoma labayiculile ukuthi why babajwayela kabi as Tsonga people. When the video nongizwe responding to Papa Penny, as Papa Penny umjwayela kabi nelikhwapha lakhe selimnukela kakhulu. Matsonga they are defending uPapa Penny, batshela Ungizwe ukuthi why amthuke kuPapa Penny and why amaZulu atende ngazuthi bangqono kunaletinye tinhlanga. And people are saying ukuthi hayibo kahleni nina umuntu osukele lomnye lana ngPapa Penny. Papa Penny nguye lasukele Ungizwe. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.